U.S. President Donald Trump confirmed Tuesday that he has no plans to extend the temporary pause on higher tariffs set to expire July 9th. Speaking to reporters, Trump said, "No, I'm not thinking about the pause." When asked if he would prolong the negotiation window with trade partners, "I'll be writing letters to a lot of countries," he added. Following his remarks, U.S. markets reacted negatively. The S&P 500, which tracks 500 major American companies, slipped 14 points, reversing earlier gains. As of 3:36 p.m. in New York, the index was down 0.1%. Meanwhile, the Cboe Volatility Index, VIX, often referred to as Wall Street's fear gauge, briefly jumped above 16.8 before stabilizing. Currency markets showed little movement for the U.S. dollar, though the Japanese yen gained strength, outperforming all other G10 currencies, according to Bloomberg. Investors are keeping a close eye on whether Trump will uphold the 90-day suspension on tariffs first announced in April to allow time for trade negotiations. Sharp words for Japan. Trump also renewed his criticism of Japan's trade practices. He accused the country of restricting U.S. rice imports and maintaining an unfair advantage in the auto sector. They should pay 30%, 35%, or whatever number we determine, Trump said, pointing to the U.S. trade deficit with Japan. "I doubt we're going to make a deal with Japan. They're very tough and very spoiled," he added, signaling skepticism about the ongoing negotiations. Bloomberg reported that Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba has tried to maintain a cooperative tone in talks, but Trump's combative approach has complicated the process. Tokyo has sought tariff relief for its auto industry, but Trump's push for quick trade victories, especially ahead of key political milestones, may limit the chances of concessions. Despite the president's remarks, Trump insisted, "I love Japan. I really like the new prime minister," though he claimed Japan and other countries have been spoiled by decades of favorable trade terms with the U.S. Trump has recently threatened to formally notify Japan of specific tariff rates on its exports to the U.S. Nonetheless, National Economic Council Director Kevin Hassett said negotiations would continue and hinted that new trade deals with other countries could be announced shortly after July 4th.